clearing or release? What did we release or what did we clear, ladies and gentlemen? Ask me what? Anything and everything that you're carrying that no longer serves you. Can you bring it into your life? Yes or no? Exactly. If it no longer serves you, clear it out. If it no longer supports you, i-release mo na. Klaro po ba? Anong example nito? Please write this down. Letter A, physical release work or physical clearing. Anong itsura ng physical clearing? Mamaya, pag uwi mo sa bahay, lahat ng alam mo namang abubot lang na hindi mo naman na ginagamit, tapon mo na. Di ba mamaya, pagbukas mo dun sa kitchen, pagtingin mo yung plato, meron ng mapa ng buong mundo. Tama mali. Kunin mo yung korel. Nilalabas mo lang every Christmas. Bisita pa gumamit, hindi ikaw. Sino ba yung hari ng bahay? Sino yung reyna ng bahay? O ba't yung bisita yung nakakorel? No, seriously. Anong pakiramdam kung every single day nakakain ka sa bahay mo, magagandang mga utensils, plato, yung gamit? Masarap kumain, hindi? You feel special, hindi? Ang lagi namin sinasabi, sino dito you wanna earn a lot of money? You take care of the money machine. And who is the money machine? Say, I am. If the money machine is not happy, it will not create more money. Are we clear?